All right, I just thought I would share a quick little video as to why you need a social media manager like myself to help you out when it comes to posting all your content. I use a program called Hootsuite, and this allows me to manage. I got Twitter going, I got YouTube going, all my videos on YouTube. I also got a Facebook page, and then my posts on Instagram, and then I also have stuff coming down the pipes that I have actually scheduled on my calendar. So you can see tomorrow morning, I have a few spread out throughout the week. And then I also posted one for the end of August. Goodbye, August. Don't let another month go by without our help. And then what I'm doing now is I'm actually working my way backwards from the end of August to next week, so that my August will be full and I can forget about it. And then I can focus on creating content for September and into October. And then you could start thinking about, okay, what's coming down the pipes for Christmas time or Thanksgiving, all this kind of stuff. But you need to jump ahead. You need to be thinking ahead with videos and all this stuff. And I don't know how people do this all by themselves. This is why you need somebody that's dedicated and focused on your stuff, because I know how long it takes just for my stuff. And I consider myself pretty good at making videos. I'm pretty fast at editing videos. I understand all that stuff. But this stuff takes a while, because actually you have to actually have your brain free to be able to create your own content. And then heaven forbid, if you're talking to clients on the phone, maybe you have Zoom calls to do and all this kind of stuff, you can't do it all. Can't do it all. So I know what happens is you'll say you'll post every day, and then what'll happen is like, oh crap, I missed yesterday, so now I got to do two. And then you spread it out, and then all of a sudden you're like, oh crap, I have a meeting. Can't do it. Okay, Saturday, I'm just going to shoot everything on Saturday. I'm going to shoot for 8 hours, and I'm going to get about 50 videos done, and then I'm going to post them for the next year. Wow, that's ridiculous. Like, you don't have to get that crazy, and it'll never happen. I promise you, it'll never happen. Only the really disciplined can do stuff like that, where they actually book a photo shoot, they book a video shoot, and they say, okay, I'm going to create content for the next month. And it's tough to do. This is why you need a social media manager like myself. So if you don't know where to start, just go visit my website, clientmentors.com, or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to Instagram, Twitter, whatever else. I'm also creating a audio podcast. That's another thing that I'm working on right now. And then that way you can just listen to tips and strategies while you're driving to work and all this kind of stuff. You don't have to watch video. And then every once in a while, I will attempt to get some guests on there as well, some other social media manager experts. So if you're an expert in social media, DM me on Instagram. Let's get you on one of my podcasts. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye for now.